Hello, and welcome to our lesson on project evaluation and closure. This segment will continue discussing project disposition. The final project report is a repository of wisdom gained. It recommends and justifies changes to current practices and draws attention to practices that worked unusually well. Final report contains project summary, project description, scope, schedule, budget, and quality objectives. Project performance. Compare proposed to post-implementation audit and comments on deviations experienced. Administrative performance. Outlines administrative performance and oversight of final disposition. Organizational structure. Answers the question, how did the structure impede or speed up operations? Project and administrative teams. Contains confidential comments on performance of individuals and teams in the project. Techniques of project management. Planning, estimating, budgeting, scheduling, resource allocation, and control. A midterm evaluation is conducted for an ongoing project. It serves two immediate purposes: decision-making and taking stock of initial lessons from experience. A midterm evaluation provides a project manager with a basis for identifying appropriate actions to address particular issues or problems in design, implementation, and management, and reinforce initiatives that demonstrate the potential for success. A capacity development project aims to develop the abilities of individuals and institutions, individually and collectively, to carry out development tasks. It has four interrelated dimensions: individual learning, organizations, organizational interrelationships, and enabling environment. It contains an outline in question form of the report for a midterm evaluation of a capacity development project. The questions may be modified or new ones may be added depending on the specific characteristics of the project and the purposes of the evaluation. In this sense, the outline is a guide, not a blueprint. The areas incorporated in the capacity development project evaluation and their representative questions are: executive summary. What are the context and purpose of the evaluation? What are the main conclusions, recommendations, and lessons learned? Introduction. Whose decision was it to evaluate the project? What is the purpose of the evaluation? How will the evaluation results be used? The project and its development context. When did the project start, and what is its duration? What results are expected? Findings and conclusions. Did the project document clearly define the problem to be addressed by the project approach or strategy, implementation and management arrangements? Project implementation, efficiency. How well has the project used its resources to produce target outputs? Effectiveness. What is the project status with respect to target outputs in terms of quantity, quality, and timeliness? Implementation and management arrangements of the project. How appropriate are the execution and implementation modalities? And how well is the project managed? Areas of potential success. Are there early indications of potential success? Project results. What is the likely impact of the project beyond the direct beneficiaries? Recommendations. What corrective actions are recommended for the design, implementation, monitoring, and evaluation of the project? Lessons learned. What are the main lessons that can be drawn from the project experience that may have generic application? The Annual Project Report, APR, is designed to obtain the independent views of the main stakeholders of the project on its relevance, performance, and the likelihood of its success. The main stakeholders are the target groups, project management, the key agency responsible for the project, and the sponsors. The annual project report aims to provide a rating and textual assessment of the progress of the project in achieving its objectives, present stakeholders' insights into issues affecting the implementation of the project and their proposals for addressing those issues, and serve as a source of inputs into the preparation of the annual report, a formal means of communication between the agency offices and headquarters. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we will continue discussing project disposition. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening, and see you on our next segment.